$5.80 for these, y'all. Oh my god, they gonna make me appreciate them so much more.
Yo, hear me now. Anybody do that dance and nasty up and them nasty up. Fix things, quick things, loopings. Well, alright then. From you see me a cleanest. Those when me rockin' at the fucking realest. Ching. Inna the Louis V vest. Girl want with me squeeze silicon and real bless. Can I blow a breeze for the head of my penis. Coolest breeze that.
Hey y'all, so as y'all see from the title, I got my first pair of Alexander McQueens right here. Oh. Yeah, this is a Christmas gift from my boyfriend, and y'all, this is my first pair, so why not record while I'm opening it, right? Let me see if I can get a better view. Okay, I look kind of. Oh, you know what? Hold it up. Well, no, y'all can kind of see right here. Well, yeah, okay. So here's the box. I think he got them from. Let me not lie. I don't know. I want to say Stock Kids, but I don't know. But y'all, look at this. Y'all see that? Alexander McQueen, period. Little big Yoki, not the little one. I'm just playing. But for real, y'all, look at this. He probably got them from Sad Stiff, though. I don't know. Okay, but look. Oh, y'all. This box is so nice. Like, look at it. Okay, anyway. So I'm opening it, and then it's packaged like this. Oh, y'all. Yeah, let me tell y'all too a little background history about me. Yeah, it used to be a point in time where I never wore sneakers for real, but now it's like I want them all. You know what I mean? Not like all of them literally, but I want more than ever did I ever want them. Oh, he got them from Goat. Okay, he got them from Goat. Anyway, it's like that. It's packaged like that. We have extra shoestrings. We have the Goat verification.
Hey, go ahead, spread it out, man. Go ahead, spread it out, bro.
Authentication. Same difference, y'all. Y'all know I can't talk for real. Okay, y'all know I really can't talk. But anyway, what is that? What's up in my hair? I don't know. But we got a little Go authentications. So then we have basically a little booklet from Alexander McQueen. It says, "Thanks for choosing to purchase an Alexander McQueen product. Our products are created by experienced artisans." Ooh, fancy. But yeah, and it's like just different languages. Yeah, it's all the same thing, just in different languages. So then this one, ooh, I guess they made a mistake because, well, no, they didn't make a mistake. I was about to say, I guess they made a mistake because it's the same thing. But this one a little bit longer than this one. This one long paragraph than this one. But then we have this cute little paper. Let's open y'all. Okay. Okay, y'all, let me tell you. My feet big, right? So I prefer to get shoes and make my feet look a little bit smaller than what they are. And y'all, don't talk about my feet because this is literally an insecurity I have. Like, this is one of my biggest insecurities, like my feet size. So this should look big to me. Like, it look big to me. Ooh, I would wear it, but oh no, y'all. I don't know. I really don't know for real now. Look at it. But look, y'all, it's cute, ain't it? He got me the reflective ones. Yeah, these are so cute, man. Cause I like how that is. The shoe screen is just so different. Look. Yeah, they're really cute. And they don't have like just regular paper. They got like this nice cloth in between it wrapped up. Y'all. Look at them. Look at them. But yeah, these are really nice. I need to try it on because my feet big and whatnot. And I ain't about to be walking around looking like Bigfoot. But yeah, these are cute. They hard. Yeah. I'm gonna have to make this into like another video because this video kind of short already. But y'all, look at this. Look at these. These are really cute, y'all. I already been shopping for them. Like I seen this purse off of Shein. They go with this, so I think I'm gonna make it. Okay, yeah. I think I'm gonna do a little lookbook where it's gonna be like a classy lookbook and like a sporty lookbook with ALLL and Mcqueens. Now it's gonna be in the same video, but it's like. I seen a lot of cute clothes and like a lot of cute girly clothes to go with the shoes. Cause I seen like this little cute purse. I seen like this little cute headband. Yeah, okay. Like these shoes with like the boyfriend jeans, a nice little button up with the little purse I seen. With these, that's a fit because that's cute. That's cute, period. Now sporty. I mean, we're gonna try to do what it do because it's a sneaker. Now it's a ALLL McQueen, but it's a sneaker. I ain't gonna try them on just because I think because of the way I'm positioned in my room, that's the truth. Mixed up with y'all gonna see it when I do the clothing hauls. But I don't know how much you spent on these either. I don't know how much you spent. But they're cute. How much are ALLL McQueens? Let me see. Let me ask them. But yeah, these are really cute. And look at the bottom. The print on the bottom is like, they're so cute. Yeah, I'm in my room too, so I might be doing more videos in my room because it's cute. Like, look at that's my name. That's the American. This is my headboard, and my bed spray was not black. It was like a light tan, but my boyfriend put glue all over it, so got rid of it. That's why I said I need a new bedroom set, period, because I really want like a new dress and stuff. But let's see. Y'all. So I text my boyfriend. I said, how much were they? Y'all. Y'all see how much this shoe is? This shoe is about $600. Y'all, this shoe is $580. $580 for these, y'all. Oh my god, they're gonna make me appreciate them so much more. I'm about to be wearing these everywhere I go, period. And I'm just playing. But y'all, these are my shoes. Ain't they cute? I feel like this video didn't give enough energy, you know. It wasn't giving enough energy, but whoo baby, whoo baby, Alexander, Mr. McQueen, like Mr. McQueen yourself, you is definitely making a pretty penny off these shoes. They are tough, but $580 though. $580, y'all. I'm walking around with $600 shoes on, period. Okay, so I really need a fire fit now because anyway, thanks for watching, y'all. I don't know if I'm gonna add a part to this video. I don't know yet, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my little outro. But thank y'all so much for watching me open my ALLL Mcqueens. This is my very first pair, so I am very, very, very happy. I didn't know they cost that much. Like, I knew they was high, but I didn't really ever put $600 on them. So, but anyway, they are really, really cute. They are cute, and this is like so girly. It matched my aesthetic. But yeah, thank y'all for watching. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Make sure you follow me on TikTok at Mcqueens. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at Mcqueens, period, because that's where these looks gonna be coming from. Well, coming on, period. Make sure y'all subscribe to my channel and make sure y'all hit that bell so you can be notified every time I post a video. I mean, why wouldn't you want to see me, right? Why not? Why not? Exactly. Until you give me the right answer, you might as well go ahead and subscribe. Okay? Period. Y'all, these match too a little bit. Ooh, I'm really ready to wear these though. Thumbnail. Okay, let's see. Let's try what the box is saying. Ready? Y'all ready?